Mark says, it's crazy that every day I came here and there's something new that comes out. What's coming next? Any leaks you know of? I actually heard that, for example, Nano Banana is coming out soon. There's going to be a new update for that. So that's going to be fun. And the Diva says, Gemini 3.0 handling the logic whilst my neurons are buffering. For sure. And why don't I have it yet? I have the Pro subscription plan. I have the Pro subscription plan too. I don't have it. But again, like, you can get access inside AI Studio, right? So if you go to AI Studio, you can get access here. It's currently rolling out. Bear in mind, it's brand new, right? So if I check my models, I actually do have 3 Pro now. So it says 3 Pro, which is great. But I think it'll be rolling out to some people. I think that wasn't there before when I checked. So just be aware of that. You can check by having a look at the drop down. And then for mine, for example, it says thinks through complex topics with 3 Pro. So make sure that you select thinking and then just double check it is 3 Pro if you want to get access to this and you want to check if you've got it. But I'm on the Ultra plan as well, so maybe they roll out to people on the Ultra plan first and then roll it out to everyone else later. I would be interested. Otherwise, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to ChatGPT and I'll say, okay, what you know about me? Give me some useful but simple app suggestions. For some reason, ChatGPT 5.1 calls me mate every single time now. Is anyone... The disrespect. For some reason, I asked for like app suggestions to build as well, right? To build myself. And then it just gives me other people's apps. Okay, great. Thank you, ChatGPT 5.1. Right, so let's switch over now. Okay, let's try this one. Build a web app that lets me write my top 3 priorities each morning. Marks them as done. Saves my entries in local storage so I can see yesterday's list. Okay, we'll go over here. And then we're going to go to Gemini, plug that in, and we'll see what we get back. In the meantime, we're going to go over to Claude as well. Gemini 3 already beat Claude in terms of the space game and also the PS5 controller and HTML. ChatGPT sucks, not going to lie. I don't even use it anymore. Yeah, like the last 7 days, it's just been so bad. It's been so bad. It's crazy. And Salami Nugget is looking for an AI girlfriend. So... Okay, top bands today, top banter. Let's see what else we got here. What else are people building with this? There's some people saying like there's not a massive step up versus the previous ones. Anti-gravity, new agentic first software IDE. That's going to be interesting. Some people saying it is going to replace Cursor, for example. But look at this. I'm not even going to use ChatGPT anymore. We're going to use Gemini 3.0 Pro. I'm going to say, tell me everything I need to know about Google's new anti-gravity agentic IDA. Plus, give me a full guide on it. And we'll come back to that in a sec. Anti-gravity is already out. You should try it. I might do another video on that. I'm actually going to tell my team of editors to do a video on that. So Google just released Anti-Gravity, a major new agentic IDE designed to compete directly with tools like Cursor and Windsurf. That is interesting. I mean, they're just dominating, aren't they, Google? Like they're too good, and they're everywhere as well. Google Anti-Gravity is an AI-assisted development environment, unlike traditional IDEs that simply add an AI chat box to the side. Anti-Gravity is built from the ground up to be agentic. That means you don't just ask it to write code. Snippet by snippet, you act as an architect. Okay, so it's kind of like Cursor or whatever. And then you got 3 services. So agent manager, editor, browser integration. Ah, that's cool. So you can test it out inside your Chrome as well. It's using Gemini 3 Pro as the core model, whereas Cursor and Windsurf, I think they have new models than that. I don't think they rely solely on that, but yeah. It's been a while since I used Cursor and Windsurf simply because the demand for it on YouTube was not there. Tell you that for free. All right, so we're going to go over to our app now, and then we can tick it off. Okay, so it's coding everything really nicely here, super easy as well to use. Ask the editors to explain the difference between using Anti-Gravity versus an AI Studio. Okay, let's try that. So just to be clear here, like AI Studio is where you can code and build apps directly here, and then you've also got Anti-Gravity, which is a new IDE from Google using Gemini 3 Pro, which is an agentic kind of alternative and competitor to cursor, and windsurf. So AI Studio is a playground. Think of this like a sketchbook or science lab. You go here to talk to the AI and test ideas. You ask it questions like write a poem about a cat, whatever, and you can build apps inside there. You can also use, it's like testing a new pen on a scrap of paper to see if the ink color is pretty. Okay, I like that. Google Anti-Gravity is like the robot construction team. This is like a full workshop of robot helpers, right? So you go here to build like bigger things. I assume it's local as well when you're using anti-gravity. And then if you want to just get like quick apps built, you would use AI Studio. But if you want to make like a real app or a real game or something bigger, then you would use anti-gravity, basically. That's the difference.